Hey guys, today I'm going to be looking at this Kaido House NSX. This is the first color that they've done for this casting. It's been a while. I've pretty much sold out at this point within the first month. It's been pretty hyped, and for good reason. Just standard Kaido House box, and without further ado, let's get it open. Okay, so the wrapper is off, and here we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. See the details. Nice clean livery. There's a little switch here, or a nub, that you slide up and down to get the lights up and down like this. It doesn't want to focus. You get the idea. There you go. So to get this back open is extremely hard. As you can see, engine detailing in there. Pretty nice. This little thing just flaps around. You can see I scratched the window a little bit, tried to get it with a screwdriver. Oh well. Oh well. It is what it is. But carbon fiber on the top. Nice wheels. Super nice one, guys. Highly recommend. I will be restocking the yellow version. Should be here within the next couple weeks. And that's about all there is to say. If you can hunt this thing down for a good price, do not hesitate. Just cop it right away. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.